children. Welcome back to computer class. In last class, we were done with the third chapter of the computer syllabus that was about paint. Okay, we learned different types of commands in paint, right? Now we are going to start the fourth chapter of computer syllabus, and that is logo commands 1. Okay, in this chapter today we will study some of the part, and then in next class we will study the remaining part. Fine. So let us start quickly. This is the very simple language that you are going to learn in the computer syllabus. Okay, it is very easy. Just you need to remember the commands and you should know how to apply it. So let us start the fourth chapter of the computer syllabus. Now we are going to see the topics that we will be covering in today's class. First we will see some of the basic introduction of the logo commands. Okay, we will learn what is the purpose of this language, why we have to study it. Okay, then we will see what are the commands, the basic commands and its usage, and we will see how to apply it. Okay, then we are going to see the practical demonstration of the commands that we have learned. Fine. So one by one we are going to see each of these topics in today's class, and then in next class we will be seeing the remaining topics. Fine. So let us start. Now logo is a simple computer language. It is used to draw the figures, any shapes we can draw using the logo commands. We can also perform the arithmetic calculations. Arithmetic calculations as in we can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division using the logo commands. And also this logo is used to type some of the text. If we want to type some of any text on the screen, we can use the logo language for that. Okay, it is used to draw the figures, it is used to draw any shapes, then it is used to perform the arithmetic calculations, and also it is used to type some text. Fine. Now we are going to see some of the basic commands that we will use in this language. Okay, so first command that we are going to study is forward. Forward is written as FD in logo language, and with the FD you have to mention the number of steps by which you want your turtle to move forward. Okay, the usage, the description, the purpose of this command is it is used to move the turtle forward by the given number of steps in the direction towards its head points. Okay, in whichever direction its head is, in that direction your turtle will move by the number of steps that you have mentioned. Suppose for example FD 60, it will move your turtle by 60 steps. It will move your turtle forward by 60 steps. If you want to move your turtle forward by 40 steps, then you can mention that instead of 60. Okay, you can mention whatever number of steps you want according to your requirement. The next command is backward. Backward or BK. In logo language it is written as BK. Backward, it moves the turtle in the opposite direction of its head. In whichever direction your turtle is pointed, opposite to that direction, your turtle will move in the backward. Okay. Now, if you want to move your turtle backward by 60 steps, how you will mention that in logo language? You will mention it by BK 60. Okay, BK is nothing but it is written backward is written as BK in logo language, and forward is written as FD in logo language. Okay, to make a bit easier, these short forms are used. You just need to remember the short forms. Now the third command is write. Okay, write on RT. In logo language it is written as RT. RT45. Now this write command is used to turn the head of the turtle in the right direction, that is clockwise direction, by the given number of degrees. Now in forward and backward, we had to mention the number of steps, but if you want to mention, you can't mention the number of steps in this right command. You will mention by how many degrees you want your turtle to be rotated in the right direction, that you will mention here. Okay, suppose for example RT45, your turtle will move 45 degrees to the right, okay, by using this command. Okay, the next similarly is left command, left or LT. In logo command it is written as LT60. Now it turns the head of the turtle in the left direction, in that is anti-clockwise direction. Okay, it is opposite to that of right. In logo language it is written as LT. For example LT60, it will turn the head of the turtle in the left direction by 60 degrees. Okay, you can mention any of the degrees by which you want your turtle to be rotated in anti-clockwise direction. According to your requirements, you can mention that. The next command that we are going to see is home. So now usage of home is if you want your turtle to be at starting position again, then you can use this command. Okay, in logo language it is written as home only. Fine. So it is same. Now home command is used to bring the turtle to its starting position. Fine. So we will also see the practical demonstration of all of these commands. First we need to learn the usage of the commands. Okay, so there are few more commands that we will see. The next command in the logo language is clear screen or CS. By using this command, your drawing on the screen, it will get erased and your turtle will be at the initial position again. Okay, if you want to clear, if you want to erase all the drawing that you have drawn so far, you can use this command. Okay, it will help you, it will erase all the drawing on the screen and your turtle will be at its initial position after you use this command. And in logo language you just have to mention in the command box CS. Okay, clear screen is written as CS in logo command. Then next command that we're going to see is set. SETH. Okay, it turns the turtle's head in the clockwise direction by the input degrees. Suppose if you want to rotate your turtle's head by some degrees, then you can use this command. Now you will say that what is the difference between the left command, right command that we have seen in the earlier slide, and they said the difference is the input degrees are not counted from the current position of the turtle as in left or right commands. Okay, but here in set command the input degrees are counted from the starting position, okay, of the turtle. From the default position the input degrees are counted. Fine. But in left and right command the input degrees are counted from the current position. Fine. When you will understand more as we will see the practical of all of these commands. Then next command is print or PR. Now this command is used to write any text or number on the screen. Okay, if you want to print anything on the screen, then you can use this command. You just have to mention PR and whatever text you want to print, you can mention after PR and your text will be displayed on the screen. Then next command is clear text or CT. Now in logo language it is written as CT. Okay, the CT command is used to clear the content of the text screen. Fine. Whatever content you have written on the screen, it is used to clear all the content of the screen. and no input is given with this command. Okay, you just have to mention CT, and after its usage, your content on the screen will be cleared, it will be erased. Fine, so these are some of the basic commands that we have to study, and you just have to remember this commands and how to use this commands. Okay, it is very simple. If you go through it once or twice, you will be able to remember all of these commands. These commands are also mentioned in your textbook on the page number 34 and 35. Okay, these are the same commands. Just go through it once and you will remember it for sure. Now we will see the practical demonstration of all of these commands. On the logo language, you need to have one software on your computer, that is Microsoft Windows Logo. Fine. From the desktop, this software has already been installed on the desktop of your computer labs PCs, okay, in your school. So you just have to go to desktop and double click on this, and when dialog box appears, click on OK option, and then your logo screen will pop up. Okay, your logo screen will appear. Fine. So this is the drawing area. Whatever drawing you will execute using your commands, that drawing will be displayed on this screen, on this white screen, and then here one small window is also there of commander. You will type your commands in this commander box. Fine. In this commander box, this screen, this small screen, this box is divided into two parts. Here on this white screen, you will write your commands, and whatever commands you will execute, it will be displayed on the upside of this, on the upside part. Fine. So the first command that we will see is forward command. Forward command is nothing but FD command. In logo language, it is written as FD. Okay, you just need to remember that forward is written as FD in logo language. Just type here on this commander box, just type here FD in capital letters. Okay, and then give some space after FD, give some space, and then you have to mention whatever number of steps you want your turtle to move forward. Suppose I am mentioning it as 60. Fine. So this triangle shape is nothing but it is the head of the turtle. Okay. By default, your turtle, its head is pointed upwards in north direction. Fine. So when you will execute this forward command by writing FD space 60, 60 is nothing but suppose for example I want my turtle to move forward by 60 steps. Okay, you can mention your whatever number of steps you want according to your requirement, and then you have to click here. Beside this box, one execute button is there. You have to click on that execute button, and you will see that your turtle has moved forward by 60 steps. Fine. And your command that you have executed has been printed here, that is FD 60. So the next command is backward. Backward in logo language we will write it as BK. Okay, BK stands for backward in logo language. Fine. So it will move your turtle in the opposite direction of its head. Now your turtle is in north direction, so the opposite direction of this turtle is downwards. Okay, so suppose BK space, I want my turtle to move it backward by 60. So then after writing the command, I will click on execute option, and you will see that your turtle is back by 60 steps. Okay, backward is used to move your turtle in opposite direction of its head. Fine. So these two commands we have seen. FD stands for forward and BK stands for backward. Now the next command is right. RIGHT, and in logo language, for it to make it easy, you will write it as RT. Fine. just remember this short forms and it will be very easy to use these commands. Fine, it is important, so you will not complicate your commands and you will save time. Fine, so RT, if you will write RT space 45. Now here your turtle's head will move in the clockwise direction. Clockwise means right direction. In the clockwise direction by the given number of degrees. Here the number of degrees I have mentioned it as 45. When you want to move the turtle's head by some degrees, then you will use this command. Fine. Suppose here I am mentioning RT space 45, and then after writing this command you have to click on execute option, and you will see on the screen that the turtle's head has moved in clockwise direction by 45 degrees. Okay. Then next command is left or LT. Fine. LT, you can also write the full form in this commander box, but it is better to mention the short forms to save time. LT stands for left. Okay. It turns the head of the turtle in the left direction, that is anti-clockwise direction. After writing LT, give some space and mention, suppose I want to move my turtle's head in anti-clockwise direction by 60 degrees. Okay, after mentioning command here, just click on execute beside this box, and you will see that my turtle's head has moved in the anti-clockwise direction by 60 degrees. Now suppose I want to bring my turtle's head to its default position, to its starting position, then I will write it as home command. I will use the home command for it. Okay, in capital letters mention home, and then you can click on execute, and you will see that your turtle's head is back to its starting position. Okay. The next command is clear screen or CS. Whenever you want to erase the drawing of the that you have drawn so far from the screen, you can use this command. Whenever you want to erase, whenever you want to delete the drawing that you have drawn on the screen, then you can immediately use this command, that is CS or clear screen. Fine. After mentioning CS in capital letters, just click on execute option, and then you will see that your drawing has been erased. Then next is set command, SETH. Suppose I want to move my turtle's head in the clockwise direction by some degree. Suppose I have mentioned here 60. So after writing this command, when you click execute, you will see that your turtle's head has moved in clockwise direction by 60 degrees. Fine. Now this command is different from write command. Okay. In write command, your turtle's head will move from the current position, but in this command, in set command, your turtle's head, your position of the turtle's head is counted from the starting position. Okay, starting position. Fine. Then next is print command. Whenever you want to print any number or text on the screen, you can use this command. The short form of this command is PR. Okay. Give some space, and suppose I want to display one number, then I will write it as 60. Any number you can write. Suppose I want to print a 60 number, then after writing PR, give some space and write the number, and then click on execute. You can see that on this command screen, below this PR 60 number is printed or displayed. Fine. Then next is clear text. Okay, clear text, how you will use? By using CT. The short form of clear text is CT. Now this command is used to clear the content of the text screen. No input is given with this command. Okay, whenever you want to erase all of these commands that you have written on this text screen, you can use this command, it will erase all of this command that you have executed so far. Then after mentioning CT in this command box, just click on execute and you will see that all of the commands, all of the text that you have written has been deleted, has been cleared. Okay, so in this way you can use the commands that we have studied so far. So in this chapter we have studied about some of the basic commands in the Logo language. Okay, some of the portion of the half portion of this chapter we have seen in this class. Now the remaining portion of this chapter we will see in the next class when we will meet. Let us revise what we have seen so far. We have seen about Logo language, the introduction about Logo language. It is used to draw figures, diagrams, perform arithmetic calculations, and also it is used to type some text. Fine. It is the simplest computer language, and in that we have seen some of the commands. You can use the short forms of the commands, or you can type the full form of the commands, okay, as per your requirements. But it is better to use the short forms, as in to save time, and also they are easy to learn. It is not that difficult. Fine. So the remaining commands we will see in the next class. I am attaching one worksheet with this video. You need to solve the worksheet and send it on my email. Okay, thank you.